Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by pulling down the notification shade twice to expose quick settings. This is faster than hunting through menus. Once done, scan the tiles for screen recorder. If you don't see it, tap the pencil or edit button to view extra tiles and drag screen recorder into your active set. Make sure your phone's MIUI version supports the built-in recorder. Some models require enabling in settings or a system update before the tile appears. Next, tap the screen recorder tile to launch the recorder UI and prompt permissions. You'll choose the audio source, mic, internal audio, or both, because internal audio may be restricted by region. Then open settings inside the recorder to set resolution, frame rate, and whether to show touches. These options affect file size and performance. Make sure to grant storage and display capture permissions so recordings save correctly, and the overlay works without interruption. To finish, press the red record button and use the 3-2-1 countdown to prepare. You can pause and resume during capture for cleaner edits. When done, stop the recorder and verify the video in Gallery under Screen Recordings or in Files for export. If recordings are missing audio or the tile won't appear, reboot the phone, check for MIUI updates, and reopen permissions for the recorder. This usually resolves capture or permission conflicts without further steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.